The sabudana has been soaked for an hour and then drained. So here I've taken 2 medium size of potatoes, boiled and peeled, 2 cups of sabudana pearls, washed and then soaked and completely drained. Chopped green chilies, salt, 1 tablespoon of jeera, and 1 cup of raw peanuts, some chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Please note down that you need to really drain all the water from the sabudana. Wash it completely and then drain. Please note down the ingredients in the description box below, including the method and the procedure in details. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channel Dimple's an Arabian Journey. Hope you like my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.